Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today we'll show you how to view your liked post on Instagram. Let's open Instagram and then we click in the upper right corner on the three lines. Then we click on your activity, the fourth in this list. And here you can see all your interactions, whether it be likes, comments, or the posts that you're tagged in. But we want to focus on the likes, so we click here. Now it loads. And I only have liked 3 videos with this account. They are sorted newest to oldest. You can of course choose the dates and all the content types, so whether it be posts or reels. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to view your liked posts on Instagram. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.